Today we'll show you how to clear cache or data from your Facebook. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your Google and open your Facebook, and you want to open Facebook or something like that, it's okay. After open your Facebook in your Google Chrome or your Microsoft Edge or Firefox, it's everything, it's like this. Just now go to here. Did you see? Just click with your left, and now go to cookies and decide data. Okay, click to, and you will be find this. Just click and delete this, and this will be find everything. It's nothing like this, and this done. Just now reload, and finally now we don't have anything in Facebook clear cache and clear data. Just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.